Hello, I'm CG This is a quick video to show how to animate text in Canva on click. After starting Canva, we can choose a template for creating a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to left toolbar to find the text tool, and then we can click a button at the text box. Next, we can go to design page. We can find the text box is added. We can start to type to edit the text. I type animate text on click. I want to make it obvious, so I click and drag the circle handle to enlarge it. I press Alt to enlarge it, something like this. Next, make sure that we select the text box and then go to animate in top option bar, and then go to animate panel. We can choose the animation effects. For example, I use pop. So the pop effect is added to text box. We can click present full screen to preview it. This is automatically animation effects. If we want to animate it on click, we can select it and go back to animate panel and go to the top. We can find appear on click and turn it on. So we can go back to present full screen. So we can click to show it. Now I press escape to go back, and then we can find the option to appear on click or disappear on click, or we can choose both. So this is how we can animate text on click in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.